Def, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a carry.
As a race, as a you, as human beings on the earth, we know the right. We're free.
So always me and you for change it.
Right.
We die leave.
We're not talking about no change for you.
We
just
it was going on.
We just tell ourselves
it was
we're not
going on.
acknowledge.
It was going on, matter.
Right.
We understand
it
what
was
you're
going
saying.
on.
As people, as
It was
humans.
going on,
Always me
matter.
and you for change.
Yeah.
You wanna give your life
How
up
long,
to the
how
world.
long,
It's not about
how
change.
long,
give your life
how
up
long,
for
girl,
this
get born?
world.
Making a difference.
How long can I get born?
No matter bring girl stories.
No,
we
to
talk
matter.
about life, brother, positiveness.
We have life, you know.
And death are the end to every man.
We have
Let me
life.
say, if you wanna
From
give
your
your
lip
life
pussy,
up,
from your look girl, you are gonna get born, brother.
you wanna give your
like
life
that.
up for this world.
Eh?
You wanna give your life up for this
No,
world.
because this world not deserve for me. to give
Why you tell yourself that?
Because the world now live the way it's supposed to live.
It's not the world, it's the people, brother.
Where you want to see again?
So have you sound like you that do that? That's why me have tried to get you on a track where you know say each man life worthwhile. Why you try to defend your life?
That's
To
why
the
I had
system.
different
No, but you look like you don't want to change the system.
Then
And
the
we
system
can't
the
do
world
it.
changing,
And we
brother.
can't do
The
it.
system word changes, but who is me and you?
have to do it.
You know,
We not
system.
say we are, we
Look
not
now,
say,
you know, brother. Look how many dial for me and you.
me not say me and you.
So me and you
Me not
cannot
say, alright,
change
this is what me I say for you. Me not say me and you can make a difference in the system. Because me and you just one individual.
Alright, so you think me and you can lead the rest of this?
I know everybody have to take what me and you say for you.
Alright.
If we even say the right and them know it for
The
you.
blessed thing we could have say, we cannot lead the world to this.
You understand what me I
Because we
say?
don't get misled already. So who is me and you? You think me and you can come tell people say there is no God? Who is me and you to tell people that? Them are going to believe we?
No time. No time.
Them are going to believe we?
No time.
You see what me just tell you say? God only create. God is not here to defend us.
I don't like
You look upon some things that are happening on earth today. If you was God, you wouldn't stop it. Me just ask you a simple thing. If you was God, you wouldn't stop it.
I don't say no.
do something towards it.
Who that?
Father, the creator.
The creator. The creator only create things for us.
Yes.
Where we are do half our own mind. The creator now, yeah, brother.
You eat?
The creator now have nothing to do with
You
it.
eat already?
Yes, brother.
This man eat already.
ain't gonna fish, you eat.
But we eat on the way. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why we
man.
want them brethren that whenever
I
they
dish
eat,
them,
we eat.
me eat
And
already,
the man
God.
here no eat where we eat, you know. The man here not eat no meat, you know, brother. Where we eat meat. So the God them never eat from morning. But we eat already, so we're not ready for no food, you know.
And I like we don't know say there is a creator. But what is a creator mean? What the meaning of a creator? Because we not talk about no God in our brother.
Just a create.
We are talking about a creator. You tell yourself says a creator create you. You ever tell yourself that there is a creator who will defend you? Okay, so why not defend yourself? You understand me, brother?
That's how me I do all of my life.
All of your life you try to defend
Defend
yourself.
myself,
So you look for a creator come defend the world?
No, but he has already done that already because he created it already. So why am I gonna need to defend
That
it?
me know too. So
You
we
don't need to defend something when created already.
we love the world and
Then
full
that
joy
means
the world and
that's
defend
why
the world
I wasn't
that we
talking
live in.
about. That's why I never talk about Jah forward and come rain. Understand me? Remember me that tell you say, we as a people, that are women did not
fulfill
follow
all
from
the rest of things.
yes,
Yeah, cause
So-
we don't get where man forgive already.
then fire. That's why
Yeah.
we elect leaders, you know. Because we feel like them knowledgeable.
We
enough.
elect leaders.
Then that's why
Yeah,
women just say,
we
well,
elect
women just say,
leaders,
well, me don't make no mistake. You know.
Yeah,
That's
true.
why we elect leaders
Yeah.
because we feel they are
I never elect none
capable
yet still,
enough.
I never elect none.
When me say we, me not gonna say
Yeah,
you
me
and I,
understand.
my brother.
Now feel like me not understand your brother. You ever elect any?
No man.
That man you not go one way with the story. So me assure you say there is no burden on my shoulder.
There is no burden on my shoulder, but you
My
are going
people
on
them
fire.
can know say me
You are going on fire.
free to go and
I am
good
a part
to
of
go
this
with
world.
them.
I am
Yeah.
a part of this world.
Yeah.
So I'm a part of the people who do the electing thing. Regardless of the fact I never take part in the fire. You get what me I say?
I fully understand your brother, but me I tell
So
you
that's
say,
why me include myself in that
all
comment. Why you go
about
say,
myself.
the man at the fire talk and him not talk like him involved in it too. So I make sure I make myself clear. You understand what I deal with? Because that's so hurt,
Me
but
not
brother.
involved in a none.
Me move over so I deal with. It's a part of the people same way because I
Me
stay there.
involved in a none. Me is a part of the man for the people to understand that.
Put
Me is not a man
to
for
general,
put the
you ready
people
for
to
answer,
that.
you are the great bawdacat.
Yeah.
We are sit on phone.
Me not depend that.
So
Me
see,
not hear
Over so
that.
I deal
No.
with.
the dog we make a
Nah,
noise.
you're not
about
about none of them on the scheme. man.
No.
See me,
So
that
if
will
you
never
have to put
happen.
yourself in a them line there, brother.
In other sense,
you
they are
have to
just
go down
because
with
me
them.
are just like everybody else on the land.
No.
You see me?
Me not adjust myself that way to like everybody. Pandits lad.
Yeah.
No.
You
Cause
see
many
yourself
people
different.
is here.
You
And
see
people
yourself
do
different.
different things.
Yeah,
Me not see myself different in each life
I
equal.
not say nothing bad. He must make me
Yeah,
aware
but-
of where myself.
Me not adjust myself equal that way to like everyone. Me just know say each life equal.
Yeah. And follow something.
Yeah, but remember people live different
Yeah,
lifestyle.
that's true.
You
Because a man will
understand
do
me?
this and a man
So
will do that.
me
And
no
you
live
no
your
involved in
line
that.
and lifestyle, but you live.
Everybody live their own lifestyle, brother.
Alright.
You see me? As a man name cat and you know name cat.
Simple matter.
Oh, that go.
Simple.
They are the man the same kind of person.
Yeah. Can't remember you know. What sick your stomach, no more sick mind, you know.
Well, with a you.
So you think, you see?
Some man
Yeah,
stomach
man.
stronger
Why
than
you
for
digest
some.
me cannot.
So we just use
Shift
some
up,
shit.
shift up.
Yeah.
That's
So
what
I just saw the thing go, you know.
I mean, some man stomach
Yeah,
stronger
still
than for
some.
some. That's also one that push them in the mentions. Live him life for him feel.
Yeah,
please,
man.
fire.
So every man do what them
Yeah.
please, brother.
We can't tell you how to live your life.
Alright. Each man do what
Whole
them
life
please.
going on, it's the life, whole life. But every man have a life, you know.
Simple matter.
There is no
Can't ever
We
chat.
have problem to we.
Then
That's what I say.
there are men before us who take on the
Look,
weight
you know,
of the world. You know.
you
No,
cannot
but no man
leave.
can do more than what them can do.
No man not gonna try that.
If a man try that, he would look like a
Now
big
care where you
footballer.
see a man, I
Look,
just
come
think
on!
of what him can do. And I know more than what he can do. It's only what him
What
can
you
do.
can do. Real
You
chat.
understand me? Yeah man, so no man I gonna take on this world. We know say boy, today for you and tomorrow for me. It's not like say,
Big man, pan a little boy.
today sun I go shine for you and tomorrow sun I go shine for me. You understand me? It's possible that today you can die. The same thing can reach me tomorrow. You understand me? You can be glorified today. Tomorrow the same
Yo,
thing
me
can
have
happen
Monday
to me.
and Tuesday, you know, so
You
Wednesday
understand me?
morning,
So you
bright
have
But
to
the world, as well we know the world is a cycle, brother.
Alright. Remember good. So you have to just choose for yourself.
Yeah.
Never you tell yourself so you can choose the
next
world of living for me.
Me I jump on the
You
bike.
understand me? You just
Yeah,
can
little bike,
choose for
because
Because me have
yourself.
four
Living
brothers,
in
me have
this
four brothers
world.
different from me and me can't live none of them life.
Alright.
Them a live them
You
life
have to just
themselves.
live your life in
See me
this
and say
world.
that.
Yeah,
Conscious of my surrounding and my awareness in our life. Them must know.
Me
them.
not tell you say me a teacher for the world, you know. Me have some things to talk, so who want listen, listen.
Who don't
And
want
if
listen,
it
fuck
sound possible to you, you listen and do what is possible. You understand me? But who is me to teach this whole big wide world? It's up to you to tell me. You understand me? You know, it's about that you're teaching me and live with him, tell me that, him tell me that, him tell me that. Still no hold myself as that. I who no hold me as that. So you know, say Bawdacat teach me, can't teach the world. You understand me, brother? But I never may put myself lesson. You see?
Over so yeah, so.
Yeah, because you
Well, me a follow your
have
thing
your
in
own
area. Me a follow
understanding.
your thing in area a while up. Me really while up a man still. Me a make a man know say. Like I ask a man say if he wear jazz.
Yeah, man, all of them things there.
Yes, so me a have to say, yo, yes, that brother, you're not easy and bump, right, you know.
Understand, you know.
You see me? You don't ask if you don't wash jazz. You
It's
see
not
me?
if you ask the man.
Yeah,
to
man.
understand.
You don't say, yeah,
When it comes to the last
you wear
time,
jazz,
you
you
should
don't
ask
say,
the
so
man.
tell me something, you wear jazz.
What the fuck if you ask the man that if you like it?
Yeah, I tell you, man.
Not even woman if you ask him that.
You see me?
Yeah, I feel like
You understand me I deal with?
yeah.
No,
You have to know, man.
Your woman,
Life,
Yeah, it's
woman
all
can
up
ask
to
you
your
still.
woman, you know, because you want
woman
to take
can
off
ask you that,
drugs.
you know.
Yeah, your woman can
Your
ask
woman
you.
can
Yeah,
turn
your
Yeah,
woman
now
can
you
ask.
for a period of time and she say,
Yeah,
you
it's
never
all
see
up
Ray,
to you and your
you
woman,
Ray.
you know.
You understand?
Yeah, it's all up to you and
Yeah.
your
In a
woman.
real life, yo.
Oh, a man to
Oh,
see
yeah,
it.
General, blessed
In
man.
a real life, you don't know about our next man. That's what
Oh, a
me
man
say,
to see it in the street
dog,
and
your
I ask
woman,
you that
a simple
question.
thing that, you know.
It's like a
In
disrespect.
and I like him
I
have to
ask them if
sick
you
him.
answer you.
your man go wash a one dress. You real to your woman and your woman love you. Oh, him wash your underpants.
He want to wear a certain thing.
So you go wash a one
wear a certain thing.
I go wash some clothes and you one dress today. You don't wash one dress. No mean you go wash 1 dozen dress and change the dress. You see what we are doing that one dress. You see me? On a regular habit, because you're not sick of pussy class. You know, so watch it. And what?
You can't find answer for anything when nobody asks.
Straight.
We are interrogating.
That is the answer to everything. No. Everything.
Today we are man to ask him that. I can't tell him the reason why a man not supposed to ask me
that question. Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, I can't tell him that anytime, anywhere.
And if no answer, you may answer too.
Because you feel like you want to answer.
Yeah, you know. I don't feel like no man to ask me that question. That question is not for a man.
Personal, you know?
That question is a personal question.
Yeah.
One of you ask.
That's female question.
My brother,
I mean, a female must have a reason.
Yeah, you wear jazz.
You can reach for a left.
Only way you don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
Unless you wear it.
And when she asked me that, still I got knock something on the same way.
What me ask you say? If
I know girl, we ask you if you want underwear. You have to ask them if you wear underwear.
Say to me again.
Enough girl no wear jazz, brother.
No.
Big man thing. Enough girl, majority of the girl nowadays, is them no wear jazz. So I got a girl
of them have to make me know.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, you understand?
Exactly.
Watch out.
You see me, I
How them are going to make you know? You have to put the question to them.
Investigate, come investigate.
Them police them time, man.
Yeah, me investigate.
Them know
girl. Yeah.
And every girl I go tell us that we jazz and
concerned, that's why me
Ask
ask
to who want tell lie what happened to a lying tongue.
You know, that's the thing.
What them say happened to a lying tongue?
Me not back to.
Abomination, man.
But
Yes.
don't lie, still tell same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't know
Who will
what
go in
come
your bed
behind
with
that.
this girl and when you drop
You know the consequences of your life.
Consequences.
Yeah, you know the consequences of life. That's why I'm even not tell it anyway.
That's right.
You get me, I say?
Yeah.
So you must know what you're going to say after.
a girl just a girl and feel
Like we just did a
Yeah, man. You know.